Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a makeup look based on the very first of my fairy makeup series. My very first video in that series. And yeah, that's my little ring light. I'm trying to use it to, make my face, visible. So apologies for the glare. Let's see if moving it will help. Oop. Not so much. But anyway, if you go into my fairy makeup playlist, it's the one at the very top, my nature fairy themed makeup tutorial that we're going to be redoing. Well, sorta. I'm also changing it a little. I'm also wearing a different dress this time, so the look may be a little bit different. And my cats are being weird. But that's fairly normal for them. Now, the reason why I'm doing this look is because, to me, it speaks of optimism. Now first, I'm going to take my foundation, put some on a palette lid, if it'll come out. It doesn't want to come out, but you can see it right there. And why am I doing something based in optimism after my last video about the GoFundMe? Well, this video is an update for that, as you might have guessed reading the title. Let's see if that is better. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Well, so that's some foundation. And yeah, I guess I will explain as I go. First, I'm also gonna explain my makeup and my techniques and stuff. And so, as those of you who have been here a while know, I've been stressed. Very stressed lately regarding money. I even got to the point of making a GoFundMe to help me move out of my situation faster, because things are not doing so great with my current one. Not with my spouse, but with my father-in-law. So that's always, not ideal or fun to deal with. And so I got to the point where I let my pride slip and I made a GoFundMe to try to help change my situation. Well, this week I got information about my husband getting a new position at his job with better pay, and I'm optimistic that things are looking up. Things are gonna get better. We're gonna be okay. That's literally what I keep repeating myself since I found out he's getting this job. We're gonna be okay. Now, it has better pay, so, and we calculated out everything and lowballed how much he's getting and how much he'll actually get out of his paychecks every month. We lowballed that, and then we highballed some of the bills and stuff. And we're gonna be okay. We might even be able to get moved in. My bag's caught on one of my... Not that I use this brush much, because I don't really use blush hardly ever, but okay, it's fixed. But stop scratching that. But you know, it's different for me. This job, we calculated everything, and we're even gonna have some left over after our calculations that could go into savings, and you know, we'll be able to get home internet and afford it. And it's exciting and strange and optimistic. And it's different, but it's not bad. I mean, I might be able to start Twitch streaming by the end of the summer, which is something I'm super excited for. And I don't know how I feel other than optimistic and hopeful. It's like this big boulder of stress that I've been carrying around is just gone. Just gone. And so I'm hopeful things will get better. Now, I didn't, tell you what products I used for my foundation and my powder, but it's just, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, both in 110 porcelain, because that's the closest to my shade they have. It tends to go a little yellow on me and be slightly darker than I necessarily want. So sometimes I add some NYX white add-in mixer stuffs, but I decided against that. And since I appear to be running out, or it just is deciding to glob up, I also have a new foundation that I recently got that I'll be using eventually on the channel. So, but this is just, this I got from Amazon. It's by the brand Starry, which you can't read because of the camera I'm using. This camera on a tablet or phone, I think that's called the front-facing camera. I'm not sure. It always confusing. That's what I'm using, so you can't see the names very well. I mean, it's backwards for you. But this is an eyeliner gel stuff in the color Snow. And what I'm going to be doing today is making some lines. I don't have this eyeliner gel in a green, otherwise I'd probably use that instead. Yeah, but I like using this sometimes instead of my NYX Jumbo pencil, just because the jumbo pencil sometimes doesn't, well, it's got a thicker, end to it compared to this brush. So I'm just using the brush that comes with this stuff. And, a gel type formula, or a cream type formula really goes well for being used as a base. Or eyeshadows, obviously. Don't mind my cat making noise in the background, or the potential background noise you hear from the chinchilla room. So anyway, what we're doing right now is drawing things that can be vines onto the face. Stop. Fine. The carpet looked good. But if you have like a green or whatever that you can use and control easily, or will be pigmented enough for, vines on their own, go ahead and use it. Now I'm bringing this vine down a little. I think I'll take off at least this one of my necklaces, since I'm not used to moving that train around. And I'm bringing it, to here, to my heart. And it'll just, disappear under my dress. And you can make the vines as intricate or as simple as you wish. Meow. And you can have, vines that branch off. Vines that can go wherever. This is all about artistic expression. And for me today, it's about optimism. It's about hope. It's about believing things can get better. And they don't have to match. They don't have to meet up. I'm just having, the vines to my heart, because that's where my strength lies. My heart. Many who have known me have called me a kind person. Someone who gives from the heart. And that fits. That's what I try to do. I try to give and give and give. But lately, I've been so burdened by my own stress that it's been hard for me to give with the same level of passion. even for my channel. And, you know, I love my art. I love making makeup videos for y'all. I love giving people hope. But when you're in a situation where you feel hopeless, it's hard to do that. So, it's been hard on me trying to make videos through all that, you know? Now, I'm going to be taking my Eco Tools eyeliner brush and my Beauty Treats palette. And I'm going to be going into this green to start off with, the lighter green. I might go into the darker green later on, I'm not sure. I'm just, you know, covering up the eyeliner that we put down. Because, and I went with a nature theme for this today, because to me, nature is optimistic. Nature is a symbol of optimism, especially with spring. New life, new growth, new opportunities. It's hopeful, simply put. That simply is what it is. It's hope. It's life. With the changes that are going to be happening because of this new job, my husband's going to end up working 12-hour days. But it'll be schedules that vary week to week on how many days he works. So he'll get his rest. I'll make sure of it. So he'll be home more. But also, when we get home internet, I'll be able to start Twitch streaming. So you can have my dorky person, my dorky self, playing video games, often dying in said video games because I'm not very good at them, but I have fun with them. So, and I mean, you get a lot of my personality here. Like, I'm very real, and I ramble, and I talk, and I'm silly. But you're gonna see a whole nother side of me with that. I am definitely an interesting person to listen to when I'm playing video games. Are you gonna get in front of the camera or not? My cat is literally like right. Okay. She's saying hi. This is Love Good. You're in Mama's way. And, you know I'm scatterbrained. I'm heckin' scatterbrained. But I know some of you enjoy watching my videos. Some of you have even commented that my videos give you hope. And I'm thankful to have this platform to be able to do that. I want to give others hope. I want to be a light. You know? I also want to be an example of, using cheap makeup to create looks. You don't need to go to Ulta or Sephora to create amazing makeup. This dollar store. Everything else, Walmart. And except for this. This was not Walmart. That was a birthday gift. Don't you two start fighting. And this might be one of my longer videos because I'm rambling a lot and my cats are being less well behaved than normal. But anyway, I want to be someone you can come to their channel and relax. Watch someone dorky have fun. Maybe have fun with them. And I plan to do the same with my Twitch. It's gonna be a fun place. And I might even do some live streaming makeup tutorials there. Maybe. But I already do my YouTube videos, my makeup tutorials in real time, so I don't know if any of y'all would want to watch that. You'll have to let me know below. But yeah. It's gonna be a light, friendly atmosphere of me being my dorky self. Playing Minecraft or God of War, or I might try my husband's Fallout 4 game. Not sure yet. Might even be able to hook up my computer and be able to, play Twitch on that. So I might play Minecraft with mods or Second Life or Sims sometimes, who knows. And yes, I know Second Life is kind of an older game and stuff. I played it a little bit for a while before we moved out here. I didn't buy anything in it, so, but I like spending time on there, especially in, I don't remember what the name of the zone was, but it was basically a place where Celtic music played all the time. And there was this tavern near where you pop up there that had, fairy wings clipped to the wall and stuff. But it was a very fun place to explore, and nobody was ever there anytime I played it. It was empty. And with me being able to get home internet, I'll actually be able to have a steady upload schedule. I'm not sure when I'm getting home internet, for sure. It won't be until after we move in. And we still haven't, done that yet. Otherwise, that would have been, an update and house updates. Because I'm trying to, keep y'all informed. But, it's just, what it is. Life is a wheel that moves on and on. Where it takes us, who knows, until we get there. Sometimes we see success. Sometimes we go through falls. Sometimes we go through majorly rough patches, and then we see a light at the end of the tunnel. Right now I'm at I can see a light at the end of the tunnel phase. Now, for time's sake, I'm not sure I'm gonna do much shading for this because I still have my eyes, my lips, and I have some little decorations I want to do on this, so I don't think I'll really shade the vines, but if you've got time, or you're not worried about time, you're more than welcome to shade your own. And again, a lot of this is just, creative fluidity, creative freedom. Just, do what flows for you. Although I think this is my favorite of the vines today. It's a lot more simple. I might shade this one, I don't know. But, life is a mess of twists, turns, and sometimes you may be in a hopeless situation and feel that weight on your shoulders for a long, long time. I know I felt it for a lot longer than I let on. But I tried to, hide it. My pride wouldn't let me reach out. I thought I could just get through it if I worked harder and harder and harder and pushed my own limits. Maybe not here, but on other platforms I'm on. And I got just so stressed out. For a lot of people, I just haven't been talking to them for a while because I've been so stressed. And I didn't want to burden anyone. frankly, I was mad at myself for starting that GoFundMe, for allowing myself to recognize I was at that point where I couldn't hide it anymore. You know? So now I'm just taking my Epic ink eyeliner and I'm drawing a butterfly. Not the best butterfly. And certainly not the most realistic. And I'm gonna draw another one. Guess this one has a curly Q antenna. Or maybe this one's gonna be a bee. Yeah, that one's gonna be a bee. Because I can. So, same palette. We're going in with that yellow for the bee. And a bumblebee, which is also, you know, fitting. Because spring, flowers, bees, nature, spring, life. And for the butterfly, I'm going to go with some of this top blue. Same palette. It's not going to pop as much as, say, if I use another color, or if I use the white under it. And now I'm going to go in with this pink. But I don't know. I like it. And I'm going to go in with the darker green. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. I can try, but I cannot make the promises. Now, for my eyes, I'm going to start with this brush and my Poster Child Wet n Wild palette. in the pink brow bone color. And I'm going to just brush it from my brow bone to my lid. I'm going to use another eyeshadow brush, a smaller one, and take some of the dark blue. And be very gentle with that because I don't want too much. Into my crease. Just very gentle. Grab my blendy brushy brush. And blend that a little. See, we are defining the eyes a little. But we're not going overboard with it. That's good. I'm going to take a little bit of the darker pink. And put it on the outside corners of my eyes. And blend. And then I'm going to take this and pop it over the rest of the eye. Lid area. Just gentle, gentle, gentle. Trying really hard not to oversaturate. And blending. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, now we are done with the eyeshadow. We are done. Done, I say. Well, as eyeshadow is eyeshadow anyway. So, we are done. We are done. And I'm going to try and sharpen this right quick. This is a Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous Soft Glide Longwear Eyeliner. High Intensity Bright and Wink Wink. It is not the easiest to sharpen. I'm just gonna try pop that in my waterline. Trying to warm it a little bit with my fingers. This is so much easier to use during the warmer months. Can't even. Tell if there's much of a difference going on. Hey! The cats are fighting. Cat children. And now I'm just going to take my Epic Ink eyeliner. Try really hard. To stay near the lash line. Ultimately fail a little. Except this fail. And use it to create a little bit, well, extra fake wings, I guess. Why this is being so difficult for me today? I do not know. But I have to say, do not like. Oh well. Everyone has days where their eyeliner just does not want to work properly. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Great Lash mascara. And for my lips, I'm just going to use my my Color Icon Lip Gloss by Wet n Wild in Scorpio. Because I myself am a Scorpio. You know, I figured this would be more fitting for a nature-themed look than my black lipstick or dark gray lipstick. So here you have it.